Hello guys, welcome to my new video. Today's video contains the 5 new Philips upgrade headlight bulbs that will amaze you, so don't skip the video and watch till the end. If you like the video, please subscribe and click the bell icon to be the first to see my new videos. Thanks, so let's start the video.
Number 1. The Philips 12362B1H11 standard halogen replacement headlight bulb is a reliable and high-quality lighting solution designed to enhance visibility on the road. Manufactured by Philips, a renowned brand known for its commitment to quality and innovation, this headlight bulb is a must-have for drivers looking for a safe and efficient lighting option. With a voltage of 12 volts, this headlight bulb provides a bright and consistent light output, ensuring that the road ahead is well illuminated for improved safety and visibility. The black and clear color combination gives it a sleek and modern look that will complement any vehicle. Whether you are driving in urban areas or on dark winding roads, the Philips 12362B1H11 standard halogen replacement headlight bulb delivers excellent performance and durability. Its long-lasting design means you can rely on it for miles to come, making it a wise investment for any vehicle owner. Overall, the Philips 12362B1H11 standard halogen replacement.
Number 2. The Philips H11 Vision Plus upgrade headlight bulb is a reliable and high-quality automotive lighting solution that truly delivers on its promise of enhanced visibility on the road. With up to 60% more illumination compared to standard halogen bulbs, this product is a game-changer for drivers seeking improved safety and performance. Featuring the trusted Philips brand, this headlight bulb is designed to provide a crisp and clear white light output, ensuring optimal visibility in various driving conditions. The 12 volts voltage requirement makes it compatible with most vehicles, offering a hassle-free installation process. One of the standout features of the Philips H11 Vision Plus upgrade headlight bulb is its durability and longevity, giving drivers peace of mind knowing they have a reliable lighting solution that will last. Whether you're driving in urban areas or on dark rural roads, this bulb excels in illuminating the environment ahead, enhancing your overall driving experience.
Number 3. Nightlight D3S HID. Headlight bulbs are a reliable and high-quality product that stands out in the market for its exceptional performance. These headlight bulbs by Nightlight are designed to provide superior illumination quality and enhance visibility while driving. The HID technology used in these bulbs ensures a bright and clear light output, which is essential for safe driving in various road conditions. One of the key features of the Nightlight D3S HID headlight bulbs is their durability and longevity. These bulbs are built to last, offering a longer lifespan compared to standard halogen bulbs. This means users can enjoy consistent performance and reliability without the hassle of frequent replacements. In terms of installation, the Nightlight D3S HID headlight bulbs are designed for easy and straightforward fitting. With a simple plug-and-play design, users can replace their existing bulbs quickly and without any complicated wiring or modifications. This user-friendly feature makes the bulbs.
Number 4. The Sylvania H11 Silver Star. Ultra-high-performance halogen headlight bulb is a top-quality product designed to provide outstanding illumination for your vehicle. With a focus on excellence, Sylvania has created a headlight bulb that offers superior performance and durability. Specifically crafted for use as a headlight, this product is tailored to meet the unique lighting needs of drivers. The package includes one headlight bulb, ensuring that you have everything you need for a hassle-free installation. The vehicle-specific fit type guarantees compatibility with your car, allowing for a seamless replacement process. Sylvania's Silver Star Ultra bulb is renowned for its high performance, offering brilliant brightness and enhanced visibility on the road. Whether you are driving in urban areas or navigating dark country roads, this headlight bulb delivers exceptional clarity to maximize your safety and driving experience. In conclusion, the Sylvania H11 Silver Star Ultra High Performance.
Number 5. The Philips Automotive Lighting H11 Vision Upgrade. Headlight bulb is a top-notch product that caters to everyone in need of reliable and high-quality automotive lighting solutions. With Philips, a renowned brand in the industry, you can trust that this headlight bulb is designed to meet and exceed your expectations. Specifically crafted for headlight use, this product comes in a sleek white color that not only enhances the aesthetics of your vehicle but also provides exceptional illumination on the road. The 12 volts voltage ensures optimal performance and longevity, making it a practical choice for various vehicle models. Installation of the Philips automotive lighting.